Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
Whakatau mai rā ki tēnei o ngā whakapāhotanga e te iwi. E tohu mai nā kua tīmata, te whiringa toa whakamutinga. We're underway, but not the greatest kickstart. The anchor. Tauranga ina ene ko lasata tēnei. Taha katau, tūpato. Rei makoid. Nāna te piro tuatahi. So they really need to utilise and take advantage. Oh, little in and out. Caught him napping. This is Marshall. Marshall's got Lasatha on him. Big offload, which unfortunately goes forward. Hamilton looking to take out this Super 8 Sevens. That's the half-time hoodoo already. Kia tūpato kia driver tēnei. Driver. Backwards offload without looking. He should have just held on to the pill. Here comes Hamilton with the ball on the left-hand edge. And Kara, too strong, scores a try just before half-time. Great defence by Tauranga.
Yeah, what a turnover. That's the best turnover of the day. And Lasanga's just taken off, hasn't he?
Quick tap, and a big don't argue. Ka tahi te ārai ko tērā. Anei, a Tauranga. E wero ana I te rārangi wawao. Had a player on his outside. Didn't use him. Hoi no, still on. Here's Mele. Kuapiro. Vincent sneaks through. Cleaned up nicely there by Hamilton. Kara. Grass cut there. Plays it back to one of his counterparts. And McCoy there is to tidy up. However, the ball's bobbling around a little bit. Here's Lasada with his dancing shoes. Tommy shows, goes, puts the afterburners on. Wai para huti. E para huti ana te haere. Ano nei he hoiho. And he's in.
He had the wheels to go the way.
Kupai rare. E uraua. Tēnei o ngā hokitanga mai. 19 plays 5. It's going to make things a bit harder trying to claw their way back into this grand final.
Yeah, well, they've drawn the penalty there with Riley. And I'll tell you what, it's been tough out there, but Lasanga again with his footwork has been a big difference.
Oh well, if there's any time to have a crack, now is the time for Hamilton. Down by 14 points, 2 converted tries.
Well, they've given it an absolute boot here.
Here comes Parkinson on the way through.
Oh.
He's got the ball in his possession, being cut off at the moment. One of the defenders, and Riley.
Down with this. You try, but you can't see me. 'Cause I'm down with this.